Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the physical identifiers and account credentials. This saves time. First, check the router sticker for CM/OLT or MAC address and note it down. Next, open the GeoFiber app or the Geo portal and sign in using your registered mobile number. Use OTP to verify instantly. Once done, navigate to Account Settings so you can quickly access installation and service details without searching. Make sure phone notifications are enabled to receive. Now you locate the actual GeoFiber number inside the app or device. In the app, tap Profile, then My Connections or Devices to reveal your broadband and landline numbers. The VO IP/telephone line shows there. On the web portal, go to Dashboard, then Service Details to find the assigned contact number and SIP ID when applicable. If those fail, log into the router admin interface and inspect VO IP or SIP configuration pages. The number often appears next to extension or user ID fields. To finish, verify the number by making a quick test call or sending an SMS. This confirms service activation. If you cannot find the number, gather the CM/MAC, registered mobile, and installation details, then contact Geo support or use the in-app chat to request the assigned number. Before raising a ticket, restart the router, force close the app, clear cache, and re-login, because many issues resolve immediately. If it still fails, provide the identifiers to support for a fast recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.